Salutation to the God. Om Namah Shivaya. According to Sanskrit, Om Namah Shivaya. परमात्मा ने नमः, परमात्मा ने नमः, परमात्मा को नमस्कार, परमात्मा को साष्टांग दंडवत. Salutation to the God, according to English. Knowledge, three types of knowledge. From all scriptures, from the point of view all books of the world, spiritual, physical, from all types of books of the world, there are three kinds of knowledge. Three kinds of knowledge. One first class knowledge, and next second class knowledge, and next third class knowledge. First class, second class, third class. Three types of knowledge we can get in the world. Three types of knowledge we can get from the knowledge. These are first class, second class, third class. According हिंदी एंड नेपाली लैंग्वेज, तीन प्रकार का ज्ञान संसार में मिलता है. सारा शास्त्रों का ज्ञान के हिसाब से, सारा संसार का ज्ञान के हिसाब से तीन प्रकार का ज्ञान मिल जाता है. प्रथम ज्ञान और दूसरा नंबर का ज्ञान और तीसरा नंबर का ज्ञान, तीन प्रकार का ज्ञान. ज्ञान अकॉर्डिंग नेपाली लैंग्वेज तीन प्रकारबाट पाइन्छ. तीन प्रकार. एउटा सर्वोत्तम, दोस्रो मध्यम, तेस्रो कनिष्ठ, प्रथम, मध्यम और तृतीय. तीन स्तर को ज्ञान हामी पाउँछौँ. तीन स्तर को ज्ञान हामी पाउँछौँ संसारमा. सारा शास्त्रहरूको निचोड गराओ. From all scriptures of the world, we can get three types of knowledge. First class, second class, third class. The first class, the first knowledge, the first level knowledge, from the example Pashupatinath. Knowledge of Pashupatinath. Pashupatinath means God of the gods, God of the God and Goddess. According हिंदी, देवता का भी देवता. देवता का भी देवता का नाम है पशुपतिनाथ. ये है फर्स्ट क्लास का ज्ञान. नॉलेज फर्स्ट क्लास. Why first class? Because at the present time we can feel the feeling of salvation. The importance of the first class knowledge, that is, at present, now, from now, for always, we can realize the actual position of the salvation from the knowledge of first class. The first class knowledge is the knowledge of Pasupatinath. Another word, Purushottama. Purushottama. Knowledge of Sri Ram, knowledge of Sri Krishna, knowledge of Shiva, knowledge of Brahma, Parabrahma, knowledge of always feeling of this salvation at the present from the knowledge of first class. That is according Pasupatinath. Pasupatinath means a supreme God. Supreme God. God of the gods and goddess. Mahadeva. देवता का भी देवता according Hindi. देवता का भी देवता. Pasupatinath, the first class knowledge in the world. Always. Why? Because now, at present, we all means the people of the world, we all can realize the actual experience of the salvation. The teacher, according to Hindi words, Ananda Paramananda. Ananda Paramananda. Sa bodha tom sukham chara. The most famous teacher of the world, Ashtavakra, says his student Janak that Ananda Paramananda. Ananda Paramananda means most pleasant, most pleasure, all the time, full of the time, full of the pleasure, experience of the full of pleasure. Ananda Paramananda. Bodha Paramatmananda. Bodha Paramatmananda. Bodha means knowledge of God. Paramananda, maximum pleasure. Paramananda, maximum pleasure, always, forever. From the knowledge of first class. Ananda Paramananda. Sa Bodha Tom Sukham Chara. This is the description of first class knowledge. Today means New Year 2025, the first month, January 25. Today Saturday. According to Hinduism, Magha Krishna Paksha Ekadashi, Sadatila Ekadashi today, Shanicharavar. According to Nepali Vikram Samvat date 2081, Magh Mahina, Bharagati, Sanivara. This presenting from Nepal country, Nepal Bhairava city, Prashi city, Palpatansan city, Budol city, and presenting by President of Immortal Pleasance Center from Nepal country. Why this presenting? Because at present we should be able the exercising or the feeling should be feeling of salvation forever. That means Ananda Paramananda, always a pleasance from the point of view first class knowledge. That is according to the knowledge of Pasupatinath, according to knowledge of Purushottamananda, Shiva Rama Purushottamananda. This is the description of first class, and second class, third class. Second class, that is knowledge of God. Knowledge of God means knowledge of Pashupati. Pashupati. Pashupati is the name of God. Pashupati Nath is the name of Supreme God, which belongs first class. Second class knowledge, knowledge of Pashupati. Pashupati, God. Supreme God, Pashupati Nath, God, Pashupati. This, according Gita, Kshatragya. Kshatragya, ईश्वरीय ज्ञान, ब्रह्मा का ज्ञान. ब्रह्मा ज्ञान फर्स्ट क्लास, ब्रह्मा का ज्ञान सेकंड क्लास. Because whole soul is Shiva, Brahma, of Brahma, creator of the world. Second class, Pashupati. Kshatragya according Gita. And third, knowledge, Kshatra. Level of Kshatra, level of Pashu. Level of Pashu. Pashu, Pashupati, Pashupati Nath. 3 level. Third level, Pashu. Second level, Pashupati. First level, Pashupati Nath. According Gita, Purushottamananda, equivalent Pashupati Nath. And Kshatragya, Ishwarya Gyan, that is Pashupati. According Gita, Kshatragya. And the third, that is knowledge of Kshatra, knowledge of Pashu, knowledge of man and woman. 3 types of knowledge. Third, knowledge of man and woman of the world. That begins from the birth and ends up to death. From birth up to death. Knowledge of earth, knowledge of world, knowledge of Pashu, knowledge of Kshetra. In second class, God, knowledge of God, Pashupati. Pashupati, Kshatragya. In the first class, Pashupati Nath. That is the knowledge of Shiva, that is the knowledge of Brahma. According Vedanta philosophy, Brahma and Shiva same. So, first class, second class, third class. Only 3 types of knowledge in the world. For the present salvation, the importance of first class. For the salvation in future, that is from second class, Pashupati Nath, Pashupati, Kshatragya. And for this life, knowledge of third class, knowledge of man and woman of the world. Third class, second class, first class. Only 3 types of knowledge. According Nepali, 3 प्रकार को ज्ञान छ संसार में. सारा शास्त्र को निचोड़ कुरा हो. सारा शास्त्र को निचोड़ कुरा हो. 3टा ज्ञान. एउटा प्रथम ज्ञान, अर्को दोस्रो, अर्को तेस्रो. प्रथम ज्ञान हो ब्रह्म ज्ञान, शिव को ज्ञान, पशुपतिनाथ को ज्ञान, पुरुषोत्तमानंद को ज्ञान, श्रीराम को ज्ञान, शिव को ज्ञान, पर ब्रह्म परमात्मा को ज्ञान, वर्तमान में साक्षात मुक्ति को स्थिति. दोस्रो ज्ञान हो ईश्वर ज्ञान, सत्व ज्ञान, सत्व गुण स्तरीय ज्ञान. तेस्रो ज्ञान हो तमरज को ज्ञान, त्यो जीव को ज्ञान, त्यो मानिस को ज्ञान. थर्ड नंबर. सेकेन्ड नम्बर देवताको ज्ञान, तेस्रो ज्ञान मानिसको ज्ञान, दोस्रो ज्ञान देवताको ज्ञान, प्रथम ज्ञान ब्रह्मको ज्ञान, भगवानको ज्ञान, शिवको ज्ञान, पशुपतिनाथको ज्ञान। साक्षात वर्तमानमा मुक्तिको लागि प्रथम ज्ञान नै चाहिन्छ, जहाँबाट लगातार आनन्दमा मात्र रहिरहन सक्छौं। प्रथम ज्ञानबाट नै वर्तमानमा संसारका हामी सबैले केवल आनन्द मात्रमा लगातार सधैँको लागि रहिरहन सक्छौं। Now the time is ending, so Hari Om Tat Sat.